Adding subsections to subtasks in Notion is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps. Begin by opening your Notion workspace and finding the page where you want to incorporate subsections within subtasks. If you haven't already, create a database to handle your subtasks, with each subtask represented as a separate entry. Customize the properties of this subtask database according to your requirements, such as title, description, due date, assignee, and status. Now, within a subtask's description or notes field, click on the plus button, choose Database, and select the subtask database you created earlier. Within this subtask database, create various views to represent subsections. You can use filters or groupings to organize subtasks by priority, status, or category. Each view will act as a subsection, offering a structured approach to managing related tasks. Start adding subtasks to your main task or project, with each subtask having its inline database view for effective categorization and management. Customize each subsection view to display relevant information based on the properties of your subtask database. Adjust filters, sorting, and grouping options to align with your workflow. As you progress with your project, update and manage subtasks directly within their respective subsections. You can modify properties, mark tasks as complete, or reorganize them as necessary. That's it. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated for my next video.